Hi Cancerians, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One more important thing, guys, if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the donation link via PayPal and Google Pay is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, if you want to book on one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support like if you want to join our 10 days online tarot learning workshop, how what you mean by tarot cards and how one card resonates with another card, you can check out the details given in the description box below, or else you can mail me. Okay, I'll be providing you with the details. Okay, so yes guys, but before that, just wait for 1 minute. Yes guys, so okay, so yeah, if you want to book on one-on-one session when it comes to online tarot learning workshop, you can check out the details in the description box below, or else you can mail me. Okay, the details are given in the description box below. The last and the most important thing, guys, is that if you want to participate and be a part of Vasol giveaway, the details are given for entering into the Vasol giveaway contest is given in the description box below. Kindly check it out. Last but not the least, I am doing daily live sessions on Facebook, on my Facebook page Vasol Tarot Prediction. If you want to be a part of it, between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time, I am doing live sessions from Monday to Sunday. Okay, so you can join me there. Yeah, let's start. Today's topic is desire, direction and detail. What is the desire of you Cancerians? What are the things and what are the directions you should take for that particular desire, and what are the details to go through it? Okay, so let me check it out. Desire, direction and detail. Okay, let me check it out. Okay, your desires stability, overall stability when it comes to materialistic world, your materialistic thing. This is mostly, take it however it resonates related to career, relationship, but I feel this is a career reading. Okay, so let me check it out. So you want, your desire is overall stability in your career life, in your professional life, in your money related thing, in your personal life as well. Okay, so yeah, so your desire is all about stability. How you will get, you are desiring a lot of happiness when it comes to your materialistic world, your finances, your incomes, your healing, hoping, believing when it comes to going into a new direction. Okay, you are waiting for some sort of an wish fulfillment when it comes to an overall stability when it comes to your materialistic world. Okay, this is your desire particularly. Let's check it out about direction. Okay, so you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to new beginning. You want a new beginning. There might be a possibility of switching up of a job, starting a new job, starting a new business, whatever it is. So there is ending of something, ending of a bad situation, bad materialistic situation, anything, ending of something is happening. There might be a possibility of ending a job, ending a business, ending of something is happening. Definitely take it however it resonates. Ending in relationship might be okay, but I feel this is most of a career reading, and if it resonates with your relationship more, take it like that. Okay, so yes, so ending of something is definitely happening. Okay, and there is some sort of new beginning is taking place for you guys. Okay, new beginnings are taking place, new opportunities, new life is waiting for you. This is your direction. Okay, and it will only happen when you will be gaining your power to take an action towards it. Okay, just don't sit and think about it, just take an action to become financially stable. Okay, for that whatever action is needed. Okay, action related to like how you are supposed to go for a job interview, whatever it is, what sort of direction is needed, whatever it is, you have to take an action towards it. Don't just sit and think. Okay, because I feel, there's a lot of happiness waiting into your life in the upcoming weeks, only and only when you won't just keep on contemplating and thinking about it. You have to take some sort of action when it comes to your finances and materialistic world, to reach to that goal, to reach to that aim. Okay, so yeah, you have to regain your own power. That is your direction. You have to take in action towards it. Okay, and what are the details? Okay, yeah, so you are heartbroken, cancerians, heartbroken when it comes to, there is some emotional pain, might be related to finances, might be related to relationship. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, so some sort of, you have to release all the heartbreaks, blockages if it is happening into your heart. There is some heart chakra which needs some sort of healing, okay, related to your career, finances, or relationship. Okay, so those healing, let it take place. Okay, do not resist it. Stop having a stuck energy. Okay, okay, you are thinking, okay, so the detail is that you have to rebuild your own career. Okay, rebuild your own career. That is what universe is trying to tell me. You have to rebuild your own career, and you have to move forward into your life. There might be some sort of ending you will take, and that will help you to move forward into your life when it comes to rebuilding a new life, new business, new job, whatever it is. Starting of something new. Okay, once you do this, you will be successful. That is your detail. Okay, so you have to move forward. You have to release all the emotional blockages, pain, problems, whatever is going on. You have to release all the stuck energy from your life, and you have to start moving forward and start rebuilding your own empire again. Okay, from scratch. So this will really help you out for sure. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasoul Tarot Prediction. Okay, so yes guys, okay, thank you so much.